cut it. Yeah, so what we can do is the big, you know, like Gucci's metal art on it, or we can't do the bigs like Gucci B. So either way, see. All right, so let's do the other one. Fix it. Accidentally we didn't hear this one, which is okay. I'm gonna using my gel painting black with precision brush. So now if anyone just tuning in, you can able to see that I would add a little bit of more define for the veins, and I just wiggle it so then it doesn't look like it looks more natural looks. Just for any of you just tuning in, welcome to our live tutorial. Okay, so keep 30 seconds. Hey, thanks, Sonia. Okay, so sorry if I miss any of the comments. You take Louis back and Gucci back. Okay, so we have ones. We'll do some crystal placement on this. So we have Chanel's, Gucci, Louis, Gucci. So this one here, 30-second flash here, we are going to using is gel painting golden touch to draw a little bit more like a gold veins on this cute nails. However, if you're doing like dressing one up in silver, like silver parts, I see that there's silvers right here on my sides as well. Hold on. Like if you're doing white, silver, or gold, you can see the golds on the collections as well. You can using gold, like shimmering silver, but this time we are doing gold. But let me know if you want to see silvers for a next coming up a live tutorial. We can do all silver look for all the folks who love silver detail. We can also do that as well. Just like a little bit wiggle it, so you don't have to do like straight lines and make it look soft look. All right, so keep it for 30 seconds. I'm forever misplacing my nail tweezers, so it won't hurt to get another one. Yeah, Connie, get another one. And then also you can still able to get your 20% off of the special sales going on right now. And Sarah was sharing the code to get free shipping of $79.99. The sale's still going on right now. So if you see some of this cute one, is super freaking cute. New stickers, and then also you able to receive 20% off on the top of that as well. So it's really stunning. It's fun. All right, so seeing we get this one, and also get an idea. Okay, so now this fourth nail, what you want to see? Do you want to see Louis or you want to see Gucci? So you tell me, I will do it. All right, which one you want to see? I'm gonna go each of them. This is Gucci. I'm just been using like few part of it. Oh, this one is cool. Is that the little lines and then I have the logo in that. That's the one cute. If you want to use simple ones, bam, all done, ready to go. Thank you so much, Teresa. Oh, thank you so much, Nuna. Okay, so here is. Stop. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Sarisa. Okay, so I don't know which one we're gonna do. Oh, look at that. Oh, do you know what I just thinking of this? If you are not sure what you want to do, here's a cool tip and trick. If you hold this stunning stickers is already laid for you. Look, if you lay them on the nails and you're not sure what you're gonna do, just do exactly what I'm putting right here. Stick it on the nails. Look at this. It's already created really stunning design. Okay, hold on. Going that way. Right there. And after you get all of these designs on, you can just place one of your logo right there. Whew, that's gonna be hot nails. This one you can even like really easy with fusioning, gel painting, and the sticker. You can get this nails for easy is $20. At least be $18 or $20 of the extra on the services. Clients love it. Okay, I'm gonna drop this one back in the tray. But or if you're not sure, you can do this ones, like place right here, and then you can put your like logo or the chains in there, or you can do this one. Oh, so many different cool designs you can do with this. I just like, oh, so fascinating. This one looks stunning as well. Ooh, this looks good. And with this one, if you have a logo on here, you can do your blossoms, the cherry, I mean, on that one. All right, so hey, thanks so much, Nail Tech. All right, so everyone, any ideas? I'm gonna do some ideas, okay? I'm gonna do something because I'm gonna put the big logos on it. I am going to use this part. I love this part. However, you know, if you don't wear any of this, you can use a chamfer foil, the clear back chamfer foil. Should we do that then? The chamfer foil. This chamfer foil. If you like, this is stunning and it's really clean, sharp image. If you don't want this and the clients want this, we'll have 3 of them. You can do that one. Let me see. Sorry. You can do this. It's gonna be a different theme today, so we'll do a sticker, but if just in case that any of you want, you can do this. Right there, right there. You see what I mean? So yours still really clear those. It's kind of a little bit jelly black. It looks cool because of the background, and then you can do this and then dress it up. So however you would like to do it. So I'm gonna go back to my sticker right here so I can get whole theme for us. All right, I don't know. I have a hard time to pick which one. Sorry. I can't help it. All right, so you can see like this. I'm gonna get this space right here, and I will go from there. You can get this like Zactonite from store. I think Walmart has it for a few dollars. It's really handy if you want to cut this one. I just cut through that, Louise. I'm just gonna save that like logo for something else, but I'm gonna use just this print right here with the smaller logos, so then I can't because I have a plan that I'm gonna put the cute logos on it, or crystals or whatever it is on it. So I'm just need this clear parts, because if I put the logo on it, it might look so busy. So I'm gonna just need the plain one. And also there's a black and white strips that you can able to incorporate with this one as well. So after you really like get that stain on the nails, great. This excess one, you can either trim it or just using your file and just give it quick shape off. Just come right off. There you go. Oh, I'm so excited. I can wear these nails. Absolutely. All right, so I don't know. It's already really dramatic, so I'm gonna get that one as well. This is so, sorry. I'm just like a little kid going to the toy store. Do this one and this. Right. Again. That is so freaking stunning. I want them all. You see that how many nails I did, and I just used like a really small part of it. I'm not even like use like a lot. Okay. All right, so now, so all of these designs, if you are like, if the client just want the stickers only and fusion ink look, hi Maya, hey, how are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, sorry, I'm getting off the screen. I cut two strips on here. I'm gonna do another one. Like maybe I just keep the Louis. How about that? That's all we need right there. We cut that part. If you feel like you want to use it on the bottoms of the nails later, on the other nails, keep that part. Don't want to use it, then just toss it away. Really cool. And let's see, I have an idea for that. I'm gonna cut this one too. Sorry, I'm just so excited. Can't have it. Okay. See how it's gonna be. Shorter. This is so cool because you can layer them too. And it's gonna stay right, stick to each other. I think I lay them good. Straight. Great. So now I kind of lay fonts with that stickers already. So now, if you are done with this, the clients don't want any crystals, again, you can put 1 quart of condensed glue gels to encap all of this together, and then no white top coat or matte top coat if you want the matte finish. Then you just cure for 60 seconds and you are ready to go. But if you want some crystal placements, I'm gonna put some crystal, not gonna be too much because they're so freaking stunning. We're gonna do, oh my god, I have everything else that planning it as well, but